Hello document creators. In today's video, we will explore how to create hanging indents in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting citations, references, or lists, this feature will give your documents a professional touch. Let's dive in. 1. Select the text to apply hanging indents. Highlight the paragraphs you want to format with a hanging indent. If you're working with a list, select the entire list. 2. Using the menu bar option, while your text is selected, go to the top menu, click Format, Align Indentation Options. In the Indentation Options box, choose Hanging from the Special Indent drop-down menu. Specify the desired indentation length, usually ½ inch. Then click Apply. 3. Using the ruler, enable the ruler if it's not already visible by clicking View as Show Ruler. Click and drag the blue triangle on the ruler to the right, ½ inch. To create the hanging indent, click the small blue line on the ruler and drag it to the desired position. This blue line affects only the first line of your text, and there you have it. Your hanging indents are ready. Happy formatting!